This parcel of rough opal has 14 pieces and a total of 1,000 carats, and they're quite large knobbies. You can see there's blue going right through that one. A fair bit of green and blue through this one. This one could be too sandy to cut a nice clean stone. This one's very cool. It looks like an eye with a pupil right in the middle, which is very unique. It's a nice sunflash colour bar in the centre of this kernel of this big, huge knobby. That could be a cool carving piece. A little bit of blue in there, but not much. This one has a nice kernel of colour as well. There's a nice green colour bar going all the way through this piece, and another red colour bar below it. Green colour bar there. So this is to show you what the colour bars can look like on inside when they're turning black. It looks pretty cool. Nice flagstone pattern. Big blue knobby. Fair amount of colour in this one. Quite a large piece. Big crystal, or even dark crystal. And lucky last, there's some nice blue colour underneath this white cap. That's it.